Hey everyone, want to create your own Roblox game? With Roblox Studio, you can build worlds, design gameplay, script interactive features, and publish your creations for millions of players. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create your first Roblox game in 2026. So let's get started. First, install Roblox Studio if you haven't already. Open the Roblox website, sign in to your account, click Create, and download Roblox Studio. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. When Roblox Studio opens, choose a template for your new experience. Beginners often start with the baseplate template because it provides an empty world that's easy to customize. Now it's time to create your game world. Use the Home and Model tabs to insert parts, terrain, lighting, and objects. You can move, resize, rotate, and color objects to build your environment. To make your game interactive, add scripts using the built-in Lua scripting language. Even simple scripts can create doors, buttons, checkpoints, or scoring systems. Before publishing, test your experience using the play button. Walk around the map, check that scripts work correctly, and fix any issues you find. When you're ready, click File, then Publish to Roblox. Enter your game's name, description, and settings before publishing it. After publishing, you can continue updating your game at any time. And that's how to create your first Roblox game in 2026. With Roblox Studio, you can keep improving your world, learn more Lua scripting, and eventually build experiences that players around the world can enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.